Hi, I'm Scott Hammond with WrittenPlan.com, and today I want to talk to you about networking naturally. And what I mean by that is going to an event, to a social function, to even a public place like a Starbucks. How do you network on purpose? Well, let's talk about that. Number one, what about your attire? How are you dressed? How about your attitude? Do you make it about other people, or is it all about you in a one-sided conversation? Can you really focus and be in the moment with people and take a sincere, transparent, and genuine interest in other people first? And number three, what about aptitude? Are you good at networking? Do you know what it means? A lot of us are good schmoozers. Not very many of us are good networkers. And what I mean by that is, can you come onto the scene, really listen to somebody, and really look to serve their needs and put yours in the back seat? And that's kind of tough because we all look for kind of a quid pro quo in our society and our culture. But it need not be that way. And what I mean by that is, when you come into a networking situation, can you make it about other people? Can you serve them? And a lot of times serving them is telling them what you do. Could you create your business message into a 30 or 60-second commercial called an elevator pitch? The answer is yes. Could you make it compelling, brief, efficient, and elegant? Of course you could. In doing that, people will actually ask more about you, about your company, about what you do, and you'll actually elicit more dialogue, which is key to networking because it's all about communication. Another thing you would look at is, could you become a trusted advisor? If you network, you grab somebody's card, could you follow up and quickly get to that trusted advisor status that all of us want to be in? In other words, could you communicate back in an email, a voicemail, a card? There's a really nice idea of doing a thank you card in the old-fashioned, old-school way with pen and paper and writing a thank you. I was very pleased to make your acquaintance, and I look forward to serving you down the road. If I can ever help you or your company, it would be an honor to have you call me. Now that is good networking. So, could you arrive at a done business by networking well? Yes. If people know that you're that person that serves the community, that serves their company, you could have an abundance of business, a done business, and have a relationship and life and a business that made a difference in your community and really rock your world. You can leave an immortal legacy by having relationships with people in your community, starting with purposeful and natural networking. And you can do it today by a few easy steps. Have a good elevator pitch, make it about other people, and come equipped with good follow-up and good people skills, and you will rock your world. This is Scott Hammond with WrittenPlan.com, encouraging you to have a productive networking day.